Hello and welcome to this new course in which you are going to learn how to make Arduino social distance detector. This will be a step-by-step guide, and this is Ashraf from Educational Engineering team. As you know, social distancing is the new way of life. But the main problem with this is that people forget to keep a distance from other people. It's a habit. We are used to getting closer from others, so it's really hard to keep track of the distance between you and other people while you are out of your home. In this course, you will learn how to turn Arduino into a social distance detector or reminder, and you are going to learn how to get Arduino to help you maintain the recommended social distance that you can adjust depending on the on your needs or on the World Health Organization data or parameters. You will also learn how to interface distance sensor with Arduino and how to program it easily. You are going to add a buzzer and a light alarm when you are less than 6 feet away from any human. A bright LED will also glow when the alarm beeps, and the program will be written in Arduino. You can improve this program and add LCD display. You can even connect it to the internet if you want live data, or you can simply attach your Arduino to a Raspberry Pi and analyze the data that you are going to get from the social distance detector. There is no limitation to what you can do here. All what you need to do at the end of this course is clip this device on your belt, and it will help you maintain social distance when you are out, and will help keep you away from other people. I'm sure that you will enjoy this course. It's basically a practical course in which you are going to create that simple small device and start using it in your day-to-day life or day-to-day practices. Thanks for watching this quick introduction. See you inside. This is Ashraf from Educational Engineering team.